Remember to press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the weekly updates on our channel.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Katoch Tubes. I'm your host Paras, and in my today's video I'm going to take you through a module of how to buy a server hosting for your website. So before I start the video, just in case you haven't watched my video on how to buy a domain for your website, you can always check out the link above and watch that video. Now let me get started with today's video. So I'm going to buy my hosting services from this particular provider, which is Stablehost.com. So before I purchase my hosting services from this particular provider, let me quickly take you through the hosting services which I have used previously. So these are from Hostgator. So I have used their services for the past 4 years, and my review of them is like pretty satisfactory. I was satisfied using Hostgator services. The only concern I have is the downtime, which was a bit more than what I expected. So I'm switching from Hostgator to Stablehost right now, and the other one, just for your knowledge, which is Liquid Web, which is also known as one of the fastest hosting provider out there in the market. The only issue is the cash part of it. Yes, these hostings are pretty costly, so if you have a good business plan, you can always have a look at this. So coming back to Stablehost, so I will be going for web hosting. So in web hosting, I have a starter, pro and platinum pack. So before I buy any pack, let me just clear you that these are the shared hosting providers, which means your domain will be shared among all other domains out there on a particular service. You won't be having a dedicated service. For dedicated hosting service, you can always click here and check the pricing. As you can see, is 145, 165, 245 per month. So it's pretty costly. So as a beginner, I will always recommend to go with the starter pack. The only difference between starter and pro is that the websites in starter are one that you can use. In pro, you can use unlimited. So since I have one website, which is katochtubes.com, so I will be using this starter pack as of now. So let me just buy it out. Okay, katochtubes.com. So it's 36 months, which is 3 years. Click next. So this cost me around $78 after full discount, and these are the breakup. You can see if you want to use it for monthly, let me choose monthly. It will cost you just $5 per month. This thing, I think this is where your service is hosted. So I will be choosing Singapore, which is close to my country, India, for a faster response time. And just click continue checkout. So if you have a coupon code, which I have already shared in the description, you can always apply the coupon code and get the discount. So let me continue to the checkout now. Yeah, so here I need to create my account. Once I've created my account and make the payment, the details will come to my email, and that's it. That's how you purchase a hosting. So before, I told you in the previous tutorial that how I purchase a domain from GoDaddy, so you can always check out that video. And in the next video, I'm going to teach you how to link both your domain and hosting services, okay, to get your site to life. So that's all about today's video. Let me turn to the main camera and give my final words. So that's all about the video. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys got the right knowledge out of it. Do subscribe to my channel to watch subsequent videos in the series, and I see you in the next video with the more content and more videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye.